All right, today we're gonna bring a pendant light, and this one comes with an LED light bulb. Beautiful glass, if you guys can see that. You're gonna have to hang this and make sure this is lightweight, so you don't have to worry too much. It could be on drywall. Instructions are included, including the actual screws that you're gonna require and the light bulb. So we're gonna hang this up and we're gonna shorten it out because this is a little long. And to shorten it out, you're gonna have to unscrew this one right here. Pull the actual extra ribbon. Make sure you tie it in there. You could zip tie it in here if you want. It's optional, and it's very simple to hang. Now this one, they give you three things you should be aware: your live, your neutral, and of course your ground that goes into this unit here. So I'm going to set it up and see how it looks. So let's put it together. The last part is the light bulb. All right, finally hung it up. If you have two of these or three, it looks beautiful in your kitchen. Look at the atmosphere. The ambiance is beautiful here with the light, especially the LED light. It works very well. It shines its own entire area here. Good lighting. Easy to install, easy to set up.